हेलो ऑल। जस्ट गुरु टोल्ड मी 20-30 मिनट्स, तो मुझे लग रहा है 2-3 मिनट ही बोल पाऊंगा शायद. आई माइट नॉट बी अ गुड ओरेटर, बट येस, थैंक यू एवरीबडी फॉर लेटिंग मी being the part of this event. Ritesh ji, Guru, and when I was told Kirmani sir is coming, then I have to be here because since years when I was just 9-10, I happened to meet this man, one of the most disciplined cricketers I have seen in my life, a true legend. And I can tell you, wicket keeping is a tough job, but Kirmani sir made it look very easy. अगर आज हम इनके दौर की बात करें और अभी को जो दौर चल रहा है, मुझे लगता है ऐसा विकेट कीपर नहीं होगा अभी तक वर्ल्ड क्रिकेट में जो किरमानी सर थे. And you guys are young and all are making, all are trying to make the place in the sun when it comes to studies and making a huge career. So I wish you all the best. And as Kirmani sir said, that it's so very important to be disciplined, mentally tough. तो वो बहुत important है. तो मैं एक one of the incident which happened a long time back, we were playing a match Punjab versus Delhi in Ludhiana years back. So Virender Sehwag was not a big name that time, and but we knew that he could hit long. So Punjab ne, we got 530 runs on board in Ranji Trophy, and we thought that we can beat Delhi. And they had a good batting lineup. Virender Sehwag, Akash Chopra, Mithun Minhas, Nikhil Chopra was playing, Manoj Prabhakar was there. So 530 was good on board. तो हमें सुबह पता चलता है कि वीरू सहवाग इज अनवेल, उसको बुखार है, खांसी है. तो हम बड़े खुश हो गए कि चलो एक बंदा तो गया, तो वी हैव अ गुड चांस टू टेक द फर्स्ट इनिंग लीड. तो उनके 3 आउट हो गए. दे वर 70 for 3, टॉटरिंग 70 for 3. हरभजन वाज बॉलिंग, टर्निंग माइल्स, बहुत खराब विकेट था. तो नाउ वीरू हैड टू कम इन एंड वीरू वाज कफिंग, 101 बुखार था. तो आ रहा है, तो मैं, यूवी, हरभजन उसके पास जाते हैं, उसको बोलते हैं वीरू क्यों पंगा ले रहा है ना, यू शुड गो बैक एंड रेस्ट एंड लेट अस विन द गेम. ही केम, ही वाज कपिंग. सो बज्जू ने बॉल डाला, तो पहला बॉल वो ही वाज बीटन ऑल थ्रू. तो हमें लगा 2-3 बॉल का खेलना है इसने आउट हो जाना है. तो ही वाज कपिंग, ही प्लेड द बॉल एंड हिट अ ह्यूज 6. तो बज्जू ने कहा ये खांसी कर रहा है, ये छक्का कैसे मार दिया इसने. एंड देन आफ्टर 2 balls अगेन ही कफ्ड बैडली. ही स्टेप्ड आउट हरभजन ऑन अ स्क्वायर टर्नर, अगेन 6. अब हमें ऐसा लग रहा था जब वो ज़्यादा खांसेगा ना तो उतना लंबा छक्का मारेगा. एंड दैट स्टोरी, दैट डे ही गॉट 175 ऑन दैट टर्नर एंड बीइंग अनवेल, स्ट्रगलिंग विद हिज हेल्थ. और ऐसा हो गया था कि अब जितना लंबा खांसेगा तो छक्के जाने ही जाने हैं. तो दैट शोज कि what mental toughness is all about. It's not about technique, it's not about the power, it's about what you are thinking in the mind. So us din, despite of health issues, he got those runs. We just scampered home by 2 runs, took the lead. Veeru out ho gaya tha, Nehra ji aaye, wo out ho gaye. But that is testimony to the fact that if you're mentally tough, to cheezein hoti hain. And I'm sure that you guys will face similar situations, adverse situations, but it's very important to come out as winners, being strong here. I think it's all here. And बहुत से किस्से हैं ऐसे क्रिकेट में जो यहाँ पे I might not be able to explain in detail, but then when it comes to, as Kirmani sir, great man, so एक humility का एक किस्सा याद आता है. अनिल भाई, अनिल कुंबले, who belong to this part of the world. We were in Hong Kong 6 days playing the tournament there. The tournament खत्म हो जाता है, and as a junior guy, तो I was supposed to take the flight to Delhi this evening, and Anil bhai was supposed to travel next morning. तो मैं उनको मिलने जाता हूँ because I respect him a lot. तो मैं उनको बाय कहने जाता हूँ, तो हैंडबैग मेरे हाथ में है. तो by the time उनको मिलके मैं नीचे आता हूँ, वो कहते हैं ठीक है, all the best and this and that. And I clear my bills at the reception, and I take the bus downstairs from Kowloon to airport in Hong Kong. तो by the time मैं उनको मिलके आया, मैंने reception का bill clear किया, 10-15 मिनट लगे. And when I was about to board the bus, I was amazed to see Anil bhai standing at the door of the bus. तो मुझे लगा पाजी क्यों आ गए नीचे ना, that there was no point for him to come. But then he told me कि I just came to see you off, घर जाके मैसेज कर देना. And again, that is another example of greatness. Somebody as legendary as Anil Kumble coming down and, doing all this. He never needed to. But this is what humanity is all about. You can be great cricketers. I think luck plays a very important role, your hard work, but then being a good human being, that is what life is all about. So again, that was a big learning for me, कि आप जितने मर्जी बड़े क्रिकेटर बन जाओ, but it's important to have your head grounded. जैसे कहते हैं ना, हम झुके पेड़ को ही फल लगते हैं. तो these were few men. Sachin Tendulkar, another great man. We all know his efforts on the field. 22 years, he was roaring like a lion. Sachin, Kirmani sir know him so well. So another incident, we went to Zimbabwe and वहाँ पे स्पॉन्जी विकेट्स होती हैं, तो मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा था. नेट में मैं खेला, देबाशीष मोहंती was bowling and I had no clue. बॉल कभी कहाँ से जा रहा था, कभी कहाँ से जा रहा था. मैंने कहा फंस गए. और उन्होंने टीम अनाउंस कर दी शाम को, दादा ने, और I was in the 11 for the tomorrow's game. And हरभजन was my roommate. तो मैं रूम में गया, I was dejected कि कल क्या होगा, है ना, कैसे खेला जाएगा. नेट पे तो बॉल पल्ले पड़ नहीं रहा, and what will happen in the match tomorrow. And all of a sudden, intercom, रूम में फ़ोन आता है, तो मैं उठाता हूँ, रितेंद्र मेरे रूम में आ. So it was Sachin Tendulkar. तो I was taken aback कि इतना great बंदा बुला रहा है, तो क्या हो गया, कोई मेरे से गलती हो गई या क्या हो गया. But then I went to his room and I was dejected because batting हो नहीं रही थी. I was down and out. But then he was unpacking his things because 2 days back only we reached Zimbabwe. And then he made me understand कि जैसे तुम क्रिकेट खेले हो वैसे ही खेलो. The way you have reached Team India, you have to play like that. I saw you in the nets. You were struggling, but then tomorrow is a new day. So don't get it to your heart. And by the time I came out of his room, तो जो confidence चला गया था, वो बहुत ज़बरदस्त तरीके से it came back. And I went to Harbhajan and I told him that nothing doing यार, सब ठीक है ना, बैटिंग अच्छी हो रही है. And then next day, performance went pretty well. And again, this is a testimony to the fact that Tendulkar को बुलाने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं थी. But these are the men, who stand by you as senior players, as people who do care. क्योंकि इनकी greatness तो हम सब देखते हैं टीवी पे, but what they are in the rooms, what they are in the hotels, what they do at their homes, I think that we got the opportunity to see them from very close quarters. And I think that makes you a man and makes you humble to the core. Tendulkar, Kumble, Rahul Bhai, I think there are so many stories which I can relate and learn from that. And yes, I would just like to wish you all the best, and hopefully in the coming years you will make a name of your own and make a name of your family. And as it is said, यूं ही बैठे बैठे जय जयकार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वाले की कभी हार नहीं होती. तो it's all about कोशिश, it's all about effort. Thank you. God bless.